Hi, today I'm reviewing Poco M5s and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and then tap to always on display in lock screen section. Then click to always on display, and to activate this option we should use on the switcher. So just click here once on the switcher and then tap to display items. Here we can change the settings to turn off the battery, the always on display feature in a battery saver mode, or also we can see that it will be display for 10 seconds after the tapping. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.